All right, guys. So we are going to be working on a slightly different problem here. So, really, a lot of the things are exactly the same with one difference. So, the key difference is that we're going to subtract at the end instead of add because we are discounting. So, I love to shop at Kohl's because they always have 30% off or so coupons. So, a coupon saves you money. So it's one way to save money when you go to the store. And so sometimes the coupons are a percent off of the product or whatever you're buying. So we're going to be talking right now and using the example of a 30% off discount coupon from Kohl's. So again, we're going to talk about the similarities as we go through here. So really, I was looking at the steps, and the steps for finding a discount are Max. Got to be careful, buddy. Can't swing while your brother's right there. Sorry. So the steps are pretty much the same to start. Uh, so the steps, the first step is still to add up the items to find the subtotal. And a reminder. Oh, sorry. Get rid of this little screen right here. The subtotal is just the total cost of the goods. So you're still doing that first same step. So how much does everything cost altogether? And then the next step is to make sure that you change your percentage to a decimal. Again, the exact same. So we were talking about, 25% is 0.25 or whatever it might be. So now we're just working with 30%. So you move it over 2 places to the left and it becomes 0.30. And, oops, let's get rid of that. Delete. And then you're going to multiply the subtotal, so what you already got from the adding up the goods, by the percentage. Again, this is all the same as the tips. Now here comes the difference. Instead of with the tip, you would add it to the cost because the tip costs you more money. Instead, with a discount or a coupon, you're subtracting from the cost because it's actually going to cost you less money. So that's where it saves you money. So let's go through our problem right here. So you go to Kohl's with a 30% off coupon and buy a shirt for $25, pants for $35, and socks for $10. So let's pull out our calculator. So the first step is to add up the subtotal. So I have 3 items. $25 shirt, so 25. For subtotal, I'm adding all of them up, plus the $35 pants, plus the $10 socks. All right, so I have a subtotal of $70. So the amount that this is going to cost me before my coupon is $70. So I'm going to write that down. Subtotal is $70. Make that a little bit smaller. All right. Got to remember that. So now we have the subtotal, step 1. So step 2 would be changing 30% to a decimal. So if I think about the decimal going 2 places to the left, I'm going whoop, 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 whoop. So now my decimal is 0.30 or 0.3. Really doesn't make a difference, but 0.3 is it as a decimal. So now I'm going to multiply that $70 by 0.3. And so what that's going to give me is my actual discount. So let's pull up my calculator again. So I'm going to take that subtotal of 70, and I'm going to multiply that by 0.3 or 0.30, doesn't matter, and so I'm going to be saving $21. So I'm going to put that as savings, just so we have a good label for what that is. So that's a savings of $71. Oops. Or $21, sorry. Savings of $21. All right. Get rid of that SA. Oh, man. Get rid of that SA I accidentally wrote. little bit smaller. All right. So the subtotal is $70. I have a savings of $21. So now, how much money is it going to cost altogether? So I have to take my subtotal from step 1 and subtract my savings from step 3. So my total will be, let's get that calculator out again. So I have, clear it out, 70. You have to start with your subtotal. Always start with the subtotal and then subtract. That's the key difference there. Subtract $21, which is the savings of 30%. And so my new total for my pants, my shirt, and my socks is $49. So my total is, oops, I'm not writing anything. My total is, not rotal, total is $49. So that's it. That's the whole kit and caboodle, guys. So a lot of what we've been doing, again, except for that last step, is we're subtracting instead of adding because we're saving money. We're not spending more money. So instead of paying $70 for my shirt, pants, and socks, I had a 30% off coupon, so it made the total down to $49. All right, that's what we're going to be working on this week. Again, if you've been kind of following along for the past several weeks, a lot of what we've been working on is the same. The key difference is that final step of subtracting instead of adding. Thank you for listening. I hope this helps, and I hope that you guys do an awesome job on the assessment. All right.